Hello, welcome to our channel UPSC Rainbow. In the previous video discussion, we discussed about basic prelims questions of history subject, and today also discussing about history subject, and the chapter name is Mauryan Empire. You know that previously we discussed about prehistoric period, Indus Valley civilization, Vedic period, and Buddhism and Jainism. So today we discuss about Mauryan period. You know that after decline of Vedic period, known as after later Vedic period, many Janpada becomes Mahajanpada and 16 Mahajanpada are made. And what is the 16 Mahajanpada? The 16 Mahajanpada were Ang, Magad, Kasi, Kosla, Bajji, Mala, Chedi, Vats, Kuru, Panchal, Matsya, Sursen, Asmaka, Avanti, Gandhar, and Kamboj. Out of 16 Mahajanpada, in mid 6th century, only 4 Janpada having significance. One is Avanti, Kosla, Magad, and Vats. So what is that importance? Vats, Magad, Kosla, and Avanti. So only 4 is given sign. Out of 4, Magad is most important because many empires is come, such like Haryanka dynasty, Nanda dynasty, and more important Mauryan Empire. So the founder of Haryanka dynasty is Bimbisar, and founder of Nand is Mahapadmanand, and founder of Mauryan dynasty is Chandragupta Maurya. So let us start with basic prelims questions. The first question about basics. Consider the following statements. The Buddhist literature Anguttara Nikaya gives a list of 16 great kingdoms called 16 Mahajanapada. It is general, so it is correct statement. Avanti was the capital of Kosla. No, because Avanti and Kosla are independent Mahajanapada. So how say that this is the capital? So these statements are incorrect. Only one correct statement, so answer is A. Of all the kingdoms of North India, Magad emerged as a most powerful and prosperous because the what is because the strategic position of Magad between the upper and lower part of Gangetic Valley was a great advantage. The statements are correct. It had a fertile soil. It is also correct. The iron ores in the hills near Rajgir and coppers and the iron depot near Gaya added to its natural assets. The statements are also correct. It was located at the center of highway of trade of those days, which contributed to this build. You know that Silk Road. So these statements are also correct. So answer 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Bimbisar? You know the Bimbisar is the founder of Haryanka dynasty. So Bimbisar belonged to Haryanka dynasty. The statements are correct. He was given the Kasi region as dowry, which yielded the large revenue. The statements are also correct. He was a contemporary to both Mahavira and Buddha. The statements are correct. He maintained enemy relation to the Anga, not friendly relation. So both statements are incorrect. So correct statement are 1, 2 and 3. So answer is A. Consider the following statements. Mahapadmananda uprooted the Kshatriya dynasties in North India and assumed the title of Ekrat. These statements are correct. The Hathi Gufa inscription of Kharvela of Kalinga refers to the conquest of Kalinga by Nanda. These statements are also correct. So 1 and 2 are correct statements. So answer is C. Which of the following statement is correct with regard to Alexander the Great? Here is options A, B, C, D instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. He defeated Porus, yes. Annexed his kingdom, no. He defeated Porus, yes. Treated him generously, yes. He could not be in the army, he be in the army. So this statement is incorrect. He defeated Ambi or Taxila with the help of Porus, not. So B is the correct answer. Which of the following statements are correct? The manuscript of Arthashastra was first discovered by R. Sharma Shastri in 1904. These statements are correct. The Arthashastra contains 15 books and 180 chapters. This statement is also correct. The Mudra Rakshas written by Vishakha Dutt is drama in Sanskrit. This statement is also correct. 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct? Chandragupta Maurya embraced Jainism towards the end of his life and stepped down from the throne of in favor of his son of Bindusar. The statements are correct. Bindusar was called by the Greeks as Amitraghat. The statements are also correct, meaning slayer of enemies. The statements are also correct. Bindusar received Demicus as ambassador from the Syrian king Antiochus. The statements are correct. Bindusar appointed his son as governor of Ujjain, not Taxila. What is Ujjain? So correct statement is 1, 2, 3. The answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Mauryan king Ashoka? He suppressed a revolt in Taxila during his father Bindusar region. This statement are correct. According to Taratnath of Tibet, Ashok captured power after killing his 99 brothers. You know the Ashok is captured power after killing his 99. This statement correct, but not according to Taratnath, but according to Dipvamsa and Mahavamsa. So second statement are incorrect. The effects of Kalinga war were described by Ashoka himself in Rock Edict 13. The statements are correct. Ashoka embraced Buddhism under the influence of Buddhist monk Upgupta. The statements are correct. So correct statement is 1, 3 and 4. So answer is C. The main features of Ashoka's Dham as mentioned in his various edicts were service to father and mother, practice of ahimsa, love of truth, reverence of the teachers, and good treatment of relatives is there. Prohibition of the animal sacrifices and festive gathering, avoiding expensive and meaningless ceremonies and rituals. These statements are correct. Efficient organization of administration in the direction of social welfare and maintenance of the constant contact with the people through the system of Dharma Yatra. This statement is also correct. Human treatment of servant by master and the prisoner by governor official is also there. 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statement. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Mauryan administration? The Mauryan state had well organized civil service. The statements are correct. Samharta was in the charge of the collection of all revenues of the empire. You know the Samharta is the all-rounder of the collection of the revenues by the empire. So second statement is also correct. The land revenue was normally fixed at 1/6 produce. These statements are correct. Mauryan army as well organized salary were paid in cash. These statements are also correct. 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Mauryan art? The monuments before the period of Ashoka were mostly made of wood and therefore perishable. In the Megasthenes book, Indica describe what the palace and made of wood. This statement is correct. The use of stone started from the time of Ashoka. This statement is correct. Even the numerous monuments of Ashoka, only a few have remained, such like the stupa at Sachi. These statements are correct. The caves presented to Ajivka furnish the finest specimen of the Mauryan art. No, the Mauryan pillar inscription is the finest specimen of the Mauryan art. So statement 1, 2, 3 are the correct. So answer is A. In the Mauryan period, tax evasion was punished with death because it is the criminal in nature. Kautilya's Arthashastra chapter on Kantak Sodhana is mostly devoted to a strict control of artisans and traders by the state. What is the most devoted to the Kantak Sodhana? A strict control of artisans and traders by the state. So answer is C. Which of the following statements is not correct with regard to Satvahana of Deccan? The founder of the Satvahana dynasty was Simuka. The statements are correct because the founder of Satvahana is Simuka. The Nasik and Nanagarh inscription throw much light on the region of the Gautamiput Satkarni. The statements are correct. Gautamiput Satkarni issued coins on which image of Shiv was inscribed. No, Vasisht Gupta Pulmai, the son of Gautamiput Satkarni, issued coins on which the image of ships are inscribed. So third C statements are incorrect. Vasisht Gupta Pulmai extended the Satvahana powers up to mouth of Krishna River. This statement also asking what non-correct statement. So answer is C. Consider the following statements. There are remarkable progress in the fields of trade and industry during the Satvahana rule. These statements are correct. The greatest port of the Satvahana was Kalyani on the West Deccan. Statements are also correct. 1 and 2 are correct statements. So answer is C here. Consider the following statements. The founder of Saka ruler was Mayuj, who is considered as the founder of Saka era, not Bikram era. Kausana king Bhima Kadpises or Kadpises II issued gold coins with high sounding titles like the Lord of the whole world. The statements are correct. So correct statement 2 only. So answer is B here. Which of the following are the silent feature of the Gandhar art? Molding human body in a realistic manner with minute attention of physical features like muscles, moustache and curly hair. The statements are correct. Thick drapery with large bold fold lines also there. Rich carving, elaborate ornamentation and symbolic expression is also there. The main theme was the new form of Buddhism, Mahayanisim, and the evolution of the image of Buddhism is also there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are also there. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct regarding to Chandragupta Maurya? He was the first ruler who unified the entire India under the one political unit. These statements are correct. Kautilya was the real architect of Mauryan Empire and was also the prime minister of the Chandragupta Maurya. These statements are correct. Buddhist sources like Mahavamsa, Dipvamsa describe Chandragupta Maurya as a person of humble origin. Note Mudra Rakshas describe about the Chandragupta Maurya is described as a humble person. So note Mahadamsa and Dipvamsa. Third statement are incorrect. Correct statement is 1 and 2. So answer is A here. During the period of Bindusar, Ashoka served as the viceroy of Taxila and Ujjain both. So answer 3 only. So answer is D. What where the popular assembly of Mauryan period is called? Sabha Samiti. You know the Sabha Samiti is called in the early Vedic period. Sabha Paura is not there. Paura Samiti is not there. Paura and Janpad is there only. So only 2 is correct statement. So answer is C. Thank you for that.